Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can uninstall OneDrive from Windows 11. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So basically guys, the first thing that you need to do guys is go into your settings on your PC. In order to do that, just go to the start icon right here and then search for settings. If you don't find it pinned here in your start menu, go ahead and click on the search bar and then search for settings. Once you do that, once you find it, go ahead and click on open. And then you're going to be here in your settings. Here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find home, system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, personalization, apps, accounts, time and language, gaming, accessibility, privacy and security, and lastly, Windows Update. Right now, go ahead and click on apps. And then right here, you're going to find all of these settings. Here, you're going to find installed apps, advanced app settings, default apps, offline maps, apps for website, video playback, and lastly, startup. So right now, go ahead and click on installed app and then just wait for the list to load. And then once you're here, as you can see guys, this list includes all of the applications installed on your computer. So right now, what you need to do guys is search for OneDrive here in this list, or you can just go to the search bar and then type OneDrive. Once you do that, as you can see guys, here you're going to find it. So right now, in order to delete it, just click on these three dots right here. Then you're going to find these two options, modify and also uninstall. So if you want to remove it, click on uninstall. And then you're going to ask you, are you sure this app and its related info will be uninstalled? If you are sure about uninstalling OneDrive from your computer, go ahead and click on uninstall and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.